Hey guys, today's video, can I land the can I land there in the ground with the slime block to hide behind? So yeah, let's find out. I'm not in survival mode, guys. Just wait until I'm in survival mode. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay guys, I'm in survival mode. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh no, mistake. No. No. Now I need to climb back up. I don't want to waste my slime block because that's my only thing to get to land me. Okay. I just missed it. Guys. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this gonna take a while because my tower is pretty long. Yeah. At least my golden block is 64. Look at that height, dude. That's nice. My golden block is gonna turn into 2 when I go back there. Look at that, we're almost there. We're almost there. Frick you, my car. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's go. We're almost there. We are almost there. Look at that. I don't need to fall because I'm scared of falling in Minecraft and real life. Yeah. Let's do this again, guys. For the viewers. 3, 2, 1. Yay! No! This is so hard, guys. No. This is so hard. I'll try my best, guys. Wait, guys. I'm trying my best. No, my golden block is only 7. Okay, guys. I might grab a ladder. Hold on, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna change to creative mode. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I already got the ladder. I just got into creative mode. Yeah, let's do this. I have a famous trick. Look at that trick. Look at this. Look at that. No! This trick's so hard. You need to get to steady up. Here. This is what dreams do when he's climbing on the ladder. There's no ladders on it, so yeah. No, I'm so stressed, guys. I'm so stressed, guys. Yeah. At least I fixed others. Hope I don't fall this time. That'll be a bad idea. I'm not trying to get distracted by gold, because this is just a golden block. My character doesn't need. Oh no. I was going for. And let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Yes! I did it, guys! I just did it. Smash like. Okay, guys. That was all the video. Like and subscribe, guys. Goodbye.